Today, June 13, there may be light to moderate rain in different parts of Bangladesh, even though the country is currently experiencing mild heat waves, according to the Weather Office. The forecast says that strong winds 45 to 60 kilometers per hour from the south or southeast may blow over areas like Khulna, Borishal, Patuakhali, Noakhali, Kumilla, Chattogram and Cox's Bazar. These areas might also get rain or thunderstorms. River ports in these regions have been asked to show cautionary signal number 1. Rain may also occur in some parts of Rajshahi, Rangpur, Mymensingh, Sylhet, Khulna, Chattogram, Borishal and Dhaka divisions. The highest temperatures yesterday were 37.3 degrees Celsius in Rajshahi, 36.5 degrees Celsius in Rangpur, 36.8 degrees Celsius in Mymensingh, 35.5 degrees Celsius in Sylhet and 36.2 degrees Celsius in Khulna. In Dhaka, the sky will remain partly cloudy. Mild heat waves are ongoing in Tangail and Faridpur. Yesterday, Dhaka recorded a high of 35.2 degrees Celsius and a low of 27.4 degrees Celsius. The Weather Office says the heat may continue, but rain might help lower temperatures in some areas. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.